¿Dónde estás, Yolanda? ¿Qué pasó, Yolanda? Te busqué, Yolanda. Y no estás, Yolanda.
Oh, pull up in the German. Your crew look nervous. You're going cat from the circus. You will never ever make no earnings. Pull up in the German. Your crew look nervous. You're going cat from the circus. You will never ever make no earnings.
They ain't about it, so don't bother. Get dipped like a chip, no salsa. I guarantee that I'll flog ya. So if I see you, you better come proper. I've been holding it down from my hood. It's like in city all the way to the wood. 4114, take a page out of my book.
Right, sprayer, psyching. Fuck, where did I?
No, you gotta freaking wipe it down.
Yeah, I know. I was looking for this.
No rules when you come out my way. That's why my field stays packed on Fridays. We hunting, fishing, good living, just soaking up every country second we're giving. Yeah, we a long way away from the highway, so go ahead, y'all, you can get sideways. Smoking, sipping, dip spitting, just soaking up every country second you're giving.
So once you cash your paycheck and count it, what you gonna do now? Well, in my county we hold it down and everybody's allowed. We all know, all of y'all, it ain't no thing to draw a crowd. You just follow the sound away from town to the music playing loud. Leave your stress and politics at home where they belong, and we'll build a